scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Part A, the average value of c of t over 0 to 4 is 1 over 4 minus 0 times the integral from 0 to 4 of gives about 2.77 acres. Part B, the average rate of change of c on 0 to 4 is c of 4 minus c of 0 over 4 minus equal to 1.282 and solve for t, giving t as 2.154. C prime of t equals the limit as t goes to infinity of 38 over 25 plus t squared. As t grows, the denominator grows, so the limit is 0. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.